Okay. Sorry, I'm just fixing myself up. So this is a diagram to explain the CMO model of contracting. CMO stands for Contractor Management Outsourcing. It's a tripartite arrangement where we have Certica, and tripartite just means three parties. We have the individual or independent contractors, and we have a host client. Certica enters into an arrangement with a host client, which is a legal document that states that we will supply individual contractors to the host client for the purposes of fulfilling a work order or achieving an outcome. We'll enter into a contractor agreement with the individual or independent contractors to say that we'll engage them and then on hire or supply them to our host clients. The key operational or structure to the CMO model is that there isn't any arrangement or legal arrangement between the individual and the host client. We call this a legal separation. When we engage individuals under the CMO model, we actually use the contractor's tax file number. Now, whenever I say that in meetings or we're talking with individuals, it quite often gets asked, contractors must use an ABN. It's not actually true. A tax file number or an ABN number are identifiers for tax purposes. What makes somebody a contractor or an employee, if we go back to our earlier lessons around indicia, come down to flexibility, control, delegation, tools and equipment. So we use the contractor's tax file number, and then for Certica agrees to manage on behalf of that individual PAYG tax, super, public liability insurance, and personal accident insurance. There might also be other deductions that the individual nominates themselves, such as mortgage repayments, savings, rental repayments. The other part of this equation when Certica engages the individuals is that Certica has an obligation to ensure that there is valid workers' compensation insurance and that payroll tax is paid. The host client under this arrangement agrees to provide a safe workplace for the individual, and they agree to the fair rates and fair working conditions that Certica offers to the individual. So fair contracts. And that's how the CMO model works.